Hello YouTube team, I'm Borlasoy Vlogs, and today I will share with you my videos appeal because I think that my guidelines and copyright policy because I uploaded original videos like my province, life experience, and other videos that are related to my life and lifestyle. On August 7, 2023, I received email to YouTube Partner Program that my YouTube channel is not monetized and also create some funny videos that share to people to good vibes or stress reliever. If you give me the chance to have my YouTube channel back, I will make sure that I will make videos that are more good vibes and stress reliever to my community and to all people. And now, I will show you what I use to making my videos. First, selfie stick when stand. Second, red screen and white screen and blue screen. Third, my cell phone. I have one cell phone to use. It's my cell phone. And I will show you that my editing videos is my cell phone. I'm not to show you to my cell phone because I have one cell phone right now. And I will show you some of my editing apps to my cell phone. First, UCut. Second, KineMaster. Because this is helpful to me to editing my videos and easy to use. And now, I will show you how to editing my videos. Hello YouTube team, I'm Borlasoy Vlogs, and today I will share with you Hello YouTube team, I'm Borlasoy Vlogs, and today I will share with you my videos appeal because I think that my guidelines and copyright policy because I uploaded original videos like I'm very positive enough and will look forward to work with you. I hope you will notice my appeal and you'll consider this one, my monetization and ads, and thank you for your kindness.